What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu Benchmark Comparison between the OnePlus 7T Pro against the Asus Rog Phone 2. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU. They both have 8GB of RAM. The Rog Phone 2 is the Tencent version, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now, with that being said, let's get started. So the Rog Phone 2 finished first, and overall it scored higher. Now, in the breakdown of the categories, the Rog Phone 2 scored higher for the CPU, the OnePlus 7T Pro scored higher for the GPU and memory, and then the Rog Phone 2 scored higher for the UX. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will also be a camera comparison between these two phones, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.